Will VR and AR change everything in 2025? Can virtual reality truly transport us to new worlds? Is augmented reality about to rewrite how we live and work? In this video, I dive into the hottest VR tech news of 2025. From Meta's latest headsets to Apple Vision Pro updates and the best VR tools for developers. Stay tuned. Whether you're a developer or tech enthusiast, I've packed this video with top AR tech news and VR 2025 updates you can't miss. Learn about new hardware launches, software SDK advances, industry use cases, and expert predictions for the future of immersive tech. Alright, let's kick things off with Meta. Meta launched the Quest 3S, an affordable mixed reality headset starting at just $299. At MetaConnect 2024, Mark Zuckerberg also revealed the Orion AR glasses prototype, the company's first fully holographic smart glasses controlled by a wristband and hand gestures. Rumors suggest Meta is already prepping a Quest 4/4S for a 2026 launch. Now let's talk Apple. Apple's Vision Pro, the $3,500 spatial computing headset launched in February 2024, is getting major software improvements. Apple plans to unveil visionOS 3.0 at WWDC 2025 with UI refinements, new native apps, and expanded Apple Intelligence Siri features. This means Vision Pro users will see more productivity and collaboration apps. Next up, development platforms and SDKs. Unity and Unreal Engine continue to dominate with cross-platform XR support. Unity released a new mixed reality multiplayer tabletop template in February 2025, featuring OpenXR, pass-through MR, networked avatars hands, and built-in voice chat. Unity also rolled out updated OpenXR and AR Foundation support for Quest and Vision Pro. Let's talk industry adoption. VR/AR use is exploding across sectors. In education, Meta's Meta for Education program found that 90% of students using Quest headsets reported higher engagement and a 25% confidence boost in learning. In healthcare, VR simulations are now common, with over 70% of US medical schools using VR for training, improving skills by approximately 30%. In gaming, VR is resurging. More affordable headsets plus high-quality titles are driving growth. Industry experts are bullish on immersive tech. Research firms predict massive market growth for VR/AR. For example, the global VR gaming market may grow at approximately 30% annually, and VR healthcare by around 33% yearly. Apple hints at AR glasses down the line, but for now, Vision Pro will get smarter and perhaps slimmer in 2025. Meta is shifting some focus to AR, even as it works on Quest 4. Overall, the VR 2025 landscape points to more immersive AI-enhanced experiences. 2025 is shaping up as a breakthrough year for immersive tech. We've seen major hardware drops, software pushes, and new developer tools, all driving VR/AR into the mainstream. Industries from education to healthcare are leveraging VR/AR to boost learning and productivity. Analysts forecast the VR/AR markets will explode in the coming years. The future of spatial computing is just beginning. Stay tuned as VR and AR reshape gaming, work, and everyday life. If you enjoyed this deep dive on VR tech news, hit like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Which VR 2025 trend are you most excited about? Share your thoughts below. And check out my other videos for the latest on AR tech news and developer tools.